this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to show two projects that I made, and then first of all, there is a big sale on Aliexpress, so I want to inform you about that news that the Aliexpress is having a sale from August the 23rd to August the 27th. So just don't forget that the big sale is on, and yeah, you can catch the chance to save you some money. So this is the stamp, and this is the merchandise set. So in the link, you will, when you purchase it, you will get both the stamp and the merchandise set. And this is the wax stamp. So you have these piece to layer it, and also these words that you can use here, stamp here, to have all these sentiments here, and also you have these cute images here. And here are the things that I stamped at. So this is Happy New Year, and this is a sleigh, and this one, and this one Winter Wishes, and this is the gingerbread, see his eyes, and this one. So I think these stamps is quite cool, and you can also use it on your junk journal or planners to make some like postage stamps. I think this is also cute to this is an idea. So this is the first one that I share. And then I'm coming with this die set. So this is the set in the baking embellishment set, the cookie jars, and I made two. So this is the first one I made. I add this flower here, and also these foliages here. And then I add this tiny tag here for sweet friend, and also this cute layering spoons, measuring spoons, sorry, these measuring spoons here, so cute. And on the top I just add a glitter drops here, and for the back I add a foam here, so it's a little dimensional, I think. And then I also made this one, so just a different looking, but I also used the flower and these leaves here, and then you can see the cookies that I used the glitter here. So I also add a foam here. And about the flower and the leaf style, this is the set that I use. So I also use this one. I just cut them off, so you can put it here. See, these are leaves. I think these add many detail on the project. And this one, I love this one very much, because I think this is great to add on any of the flowers or other things that you can just layer as the background. And these are little hearts, So cute. So hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.